Imagine creating 14 professional Amazon books in under 6 minutes without writing a single word. In this Royalty Profits AI review, I'll explain you the exact system behind this new WarriorPlus deal of the day that's helping everyday people earn passive royalties online.
This tool has gone viral. It's called Royalty Profits AI, and it just got the WarriorPlus Deal of the Day Award on October 25th, 2025. In this video, I'll cover what it is and how it works, real user results, pros and cons, and exclusive bonuses when you grab it through the link below. Royalty Profits AI is the world's first AI system that creates full, profitable Amazon books in less than 6 minutes. It uses GPT-powered engines for content, AI image models for covers, and automatic KDP formatting. You can pick from over 25 book types, from self-help to children's books, and export everything ready for Amazon in PDF or EPUB format. The creators, Dimitris Papadopoulos and Alex Krulik, have proven results. Over 37 books published, $28,716 in October royalties, and 435 orders just this month. And check this out. One beta user, Cynthia Wade, created 14 books in 4 days and already hit 305 sales. These are verified KDP dashboard stats. Here's how easy it is. 1. Log into your dashboard. 2. Choose your book type and topic. 3. Let the AI generate your full book, chapter outlines, content, cover, and metadata. 4. Export it to KDP in seconds. That's literally a 6-minute publishing cycle. Now watch the demo from the creator of Royalty Profits AI.
Royalty Profits AI. My name is Dimitris, and I'm going to be your coach and mentor in this software and training that we're going to be showing you how you're going to be generating royalties and commissions and payments from Amazon KDP, not only from books that you create instantly using our software, but also the strategy that I have inside that you're going to be able to generate sales overnight. And in the next 5 days, from the time that you start your book, you're going to start seeing royalties from the pages being read from the books that you are creating using our software. Now, let me tell you a little story. Last year, in August of 2024, it was my first journey with KDP Public. I came up with an idea of working with AI to help me build a book to add on Amazon KDP. I tried a strategy that I thought it was only logical to do, and 24 hours later, I saw my first sale, and then I started seeing royalties getting paid into my Amazon KDP account in just 24 hours. I was so surprised. I was actually fired up, and I actually built up an actual author central profile where I started writing books. And I never thought that with the power of AI and me writing my thoughts into book, and it actually helped me generate these books that I actually created in Kindle form and paperback. And I was getting paid from people buying these books that I created and I sold on Amazon. These books I'm actually proud of sharing with my family and stating that I'm actually an author on Amazon KDP. I've been getting paid royalties since last year when I first started. Now, the only problem with this whole situation is that when I started this, I was actually doing this manually, taking a lot of time of my hours, minutes of my day in actually creating these books using AI. It was manually done, and that could be done in 20 minutes. And another 10 minutes maybe to publish the KDP book, a little research on the keywords, on the categories that I needed to put down. So all throughout that 1 year, I really was working on something to help me automate my whole business. And I came up with Royalty Profits AI. And this is a software that I created with my partner to help automate our business on Amazon KDP and just churn out books on a daily basis, books that are actually selling on a daily basis on Amazon KDP. And with that being said, I'm going to show you how this all works, because we've added features that you won't find anywhere else in another ebook creator software. There are many good ones out there, but this one actually does a lot of things differently. And not only differently, it's automated. Everything that you do in here would take you maybe over 7 minutes to create a book and publish at the same time on Amazon KDP. So without further ado, let me show you a quick example of how this all works, and I'll take you by the hand. Okay, so we're inside our software and we're about to create a book. We're going to come and create a campaign, and we're going to choose one of these options that we have here. So I'm going to go ahead and create an instant book, and I'm going to do a 20 to 40 page book for now. And I'm going to use this as an example of maybe even writing about Royalty Profits AI. So I'm just going to name it Royalty Profits AI as a topic and the book title. And then what I'm going to do is click on this, and this will give me, just from the topic that I'm giving it, for the instant book option, is for me to generate a new title and a subtitle that I can use so it's unique, giving me two options. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here. And this fills in all the information that I need. And then the next purpose that I need to do is basically come to the targeted audience and choose which targeted audience that I want from the options that we're giving you right here. So for example, I'm doing business professionals. I want this to be maybe something for a self-help, or it could be an educational book. And in the tone, all right? So depending on the tones and the book purpose, you create a unique book that sounds natural. And then here we can put some information about the author's name, which you can put your name or whatever. And here I can add a link of maybe somewhere where I have my information about my author, right? For example, I'm giving a link of my Amazon's author bio area, and this will create a nice little bio for me automatically. I'm also going to be adding an image that I've uploaded, and all the images that you're seeing here are images from the books that I've created, or the images used in the books that is inside your members area, in your image area. The beautiful difference that we have in our book creator is the fact that everything is automated. You click a button and you get your keywords set up, so you don't need to research that, EPUB descriptions. We put a price to this book so we can sell it, and we can also get automatically, our AI will give you the categories that are needed in order for you to push your book into KDP through the categories that our AI is giving you, so you are saving yourself a lot of time. Once that's done, we're ready to go. The affiliate marketing links are a part of an upgrade that we have, that you can add your affiliate links, and in your affiliate links you can add a keyword or a phrase, where this will actually put it inside the content depending on what you're using here. So I'm going to go over and click on next. The next part is basically to add any images that you'd like. We're giving you 3 types of illustrations that you can use. I'm going to do realistic. We can add it in either in a random location, so when it's talking into a chapter, you can add an image, or in the beginning of a chapter. It's up to you. It depends on how many images you want to use as well. And then you can also include your title, author, some context if you'd like. And then we can choose one of the 3 training models that we have, the AI models that we have. We include Nano Banana, GPT, and OpenDALL-E. Well, I'm going to be using GPT-1 for this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose a template that you can actually create your templates, or you can actually use one of the templates that we have built in. And then from here, you can also make it maybe even better, and you can check out all the details that how it's going to look when it's creating the book. And that's it. Now, once I've started this, I'm going to go ahead and click on a stopwatch so you can see how long it will take for a 20 to 40 page book to be created using our software, which is probably the fastest software creator for ebooks that's in the market. So right now it's planning my book. Hey, so the book is done, and we are at 2 minutes and 55 seconds in creating a book. Okay. So coming back in here, we have the book, and we can come in. We can edit the chapters if we'd like. We can check everything out. We can check out the preview. We got a beautiful cover creator that allows you to create beautiful images and covers. And then we have the information about the book, and then it's like more of an educational book, like I said. So it's giving information on how this all works, steps, techniques, step 1, step 2, how to set things up, the market trends, etc. It's going through the book. And the beautiful thing about our book creator is also that it provides users with backlinks also to specific articles that it finds that it uses the content to create, and it incorporates it inside the book as well as links. Not all, depends on the book cover that you create. So once this is done, we are basically done. We're going to be able to download the PDF, to download the EPUB, download the you need to do. Now, one special feature that is not available in the front end, it's part of the upgrade that I like to show off, is basically the fact that you can actually publish from inside our software to KDP platform without you going in and entering your keywords or your descriptions or the pricing or the covers or the manuscript, nothing. You just click and this actually does it for you. That's done. All I have to do is just basically come into my account and just refresh into my bookshelf, and it's right here. Next step is just for me to go ahead and just publish it, and I'm done. Okay, it was that simple. In just about 7 minutes, I created a book, and I was able to publish it on Amazon KDP. Now, in the next following 24 hours, after it gets approved, I'm going to start seeing people reading my books. Not only reading them, but I'm going to get it paid for the people reading those books. The books that I'm putting out are full of value, but this is what our software does. It's human, it's natural sounding, it flows, it has many different types of purposes and books that you can create, basically covering the whole Amazon KDP category list. You get from the front end is enough for you to go out and create a book and start seeing sales, and then royalties, and then even commissions from Amazon KDP from the books that you're selling, and generating 70% royalties on the sales of the books that you put on there. So without further ado, don't miss on this chance to check out our software. Scroll down this page to look at the real testimonials from real users using Royalty AI Profits software and my training that's sharing with you the secrets of how I'm generating the traffic for free and also generating the royalties that you'll be seeing as well. I hope you enjoyed this software, and the books that I've created in the last year are still selling today. All the proof are inside the videos that you see and the training course that I have for you. I'm not leaving you alone. I hope you enjoyed this, and please scroll down, check out everything that we're sharing with you, and understand you even have 30 days to test out our software. And if you don't like what it creates, then you can just ask us and we'll refund your money back. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Demetrius. On behalf of my partner, Alex Kulik, thank you so much for joining us on this amazing KDP journey you're about to embark on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
The front end includes everything you need to create 10 to 20 books per month. You can upgrade to unlock Professional Suite, one-click KDP Publishing, Research Module, find profitable niches automatically, Commercial License, sell books to clients and keep 100% profit. For more details, you can check their sales page. The link is in the description below. Your $248 bonus package. When you grab Royalty Profits AI now, you'll get exclusive $248 bonus package completely free. Bonus number 1, Quick Start Blueprint, $97 value, your 30-day action plan to your first profitable books. Bonus number 2, 10 Hot Niches Guide, $37 value. Pre-researched KDP niches proven to sell in 2025. Bonus number 3, Cover Design Templates, $47 value. Professional templates that convert browsers into buyers. Bonus number 4, Amazon Ranking Guide, $67 value. Step-by-step strategy to rank your books faster on KDP. Total bonus value, $248. Yours free today. Pros and cons. Pros. AI creates everything for you. Built-in cover design and formatting. Real results and verified proof. Works in 11+ languages. Cons. Requires API keys, minimal cost. Results vary based on niche and consistency. Launch pricing ends October 29th at 11 a.m. EST, and the price increases after that. Click the first link in the description now to lock in your copy of Royalty Profits AI and claim your $248 bonus pack before the timer hits 0. This is hands down the easiest way to start making passive income with AI right now. If you want to build real royalties and real results, Royalty Profits AI is your shortcut. Click below, grab your bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more of this type of DFY explanation videos.